Welcome to this lesson on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, one of the most important organelles in cell biology. The rough ER, as it's commonly called, is a ribosome-studded protein processor that plays a crucial role in producing and modifying proteins within the cell. Think of it as the cell's protein factory, where specialized proteins are assembled and prepared for their specific jobs. So what exactly is the rough endoplasmic reticulum? It's a network of membrane-bound tubes and sacs that are studded with ribosomes on their outer surface. These ribosomes give the ER its rough appearance, which we'll discuss more in a moment. The main job of the rough ER is to synthesize and modify proteins that are destined for secretion outside the cell or for insertion into cell membranes. It's like an assembly line where proteins are not only built, but also processed and prepared for their final destinations. You might wonder why it's called rough ER. The answer lies in its appearance under an electron microscope. The attached ribosomes give the membrane a rough, bumpy appearance, which distinguishes it from the smooth ER that lacks ribosomes. Structurally, the rough ER is continuous with the nuclear envelope, the membrane that surrounds the cell's nucleus, and it extends throughout the cytoplasm as a system of interconnected sheets. This strategic positioning allows it to efficiently receive genetic instructions from the nucleus and produce proteins throughout the cell. The rough ER performs four primary functions that are essential for cell survival. First, it synthesizes proteins specifically meant for secretion or membrane insertion. Second, it assists in protein folding and quality control, ensuring that proteins achieve their correct three-dimensional shapes. Third, it carries out post-translational modifications, which are chemical changes made to proteins after they're initially assembled. And fourth, it sorts and packages proteins, directing them to their appropriate destinations within or outside the cell. Each of these functions works together to ensure that proteins are properly manufactured and prepared for their roles. Let's explore how protein synthesis actually happens at the rough ER through a process called signal recognition. First, a special sequence of amino acids called a signal sequence emerges from the ribosome as the protein is being made. Second, a protein complex called SRP, or signal recognition particle, binds to this signal sequence and temporarily pauses protein synthesis. Third, the SRP guides the ribosome to the ER membrane where it docks at a specific receptor. Once docked, the ribosome continues making the protein, which is then threaded directly into the ER lumen, the interior space of the ER. Once proteins enter the rough ER, they undergo several important modifications. Glycosylation is the addition of carbohydrate chains to proteins, which helps them function properly and protects them from degradation. Disulfide bonds are formed between cysteine amino acids, which stabilizes the protein's structure and helps it maintain its shape. Protein folding is assisted by special helper proteins called chaperones, which guide the newly made protein into its proper three-dimensional structure. Finally, signal cleavage removes the signal peptide that was used to direct the protein to the ER, as it's no longer needed. These modifications are crucial for producing functional, mature proteins. Proteins processed by the rough ER have three main destinations. Secretory proteins include hormones, digestive enzymes, and antibodies that are packaged and exported from the cell to perform their functions elsewhere in the body. Membrane proteins, such as receptors, transporters, and ion channels, are integrated into various cellular membranes where they control what enters and exits cells. Organelle proteins, particularly enzymes for lysosomes and other organelles, are sorted and delivered to their specific locations within the cell. The rough ER acts as a central hub, ensuring each protein reaches its correct destination. To summarize, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is the cellular protein factory, where ribosomes synthesize, fold, and modify proteins destined for secretion, membranes, or specific organelles. This process is essential for cell function and communication. Without the rough ER, cells couldn't produce the specialized proteins needed for hormone signaling, immune responses, digestion, and countless other vital processes. Understanding the rough ER helps us appreciate how cells manufacture and quality control the proteins that keep our bodies functioning properly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.